Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Monica and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you how I prepare samosas. These samosas are the first dish before you start eating, or you can eat it on as a dish. So yeah, and today I'm using the minced meat. I'm gonna also have some ingredients here. I have some coriander and I have spring onions. After that, I have normal onions and garlic. Normal onions and garlic. So this is what I'm preparing. With the meat, I'm gonna use some royco, salt, and black pepper. So let me take you through. We're gonna do it quick. So I got the salt and pepper. Just heat the cooking pan. This one. I'll make it a little bit hot so that I can put the meat before I put all the other ingredients, because like that the meat cannot dry out and it would be very liquidy. Yeah, so that's how I do it. I'm heating the pan first, and then I put the meat inside there. I also gonna use this bricks. It's the bricks I buy them in the supermarket. So yeah, I'm gonna use this to fold my samosas. I'll give you that lesson. I'll give you that how I do. I'll show you how I do it. Yeah. So this is which I use. I buy them in the supermarket. Yeah. So yeah, I'm a bit lazy not to do it by myself, but yeah, because it take a lot of time to knead the dough and to make it all ready to fold the samosa. So I put the meat in there, and then I let the meat cook a little bit before I put all the ingredients. So that you can see, give you a little bit near. You see the meat already have oil, so we don't need to put oil. Let it cook a little bit. I'm gonna use some cumin and some paprika, black pepper, and royco. I'm gonna use the beef origins, beef flavor, and a little bit of chicken flavor. Yeah. Blah blah. Stop there. Let that cook for 2 to 3 minutes. So cook. Now I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. You don't need to put any oils there. There's a lot of oil. The meat, natural oils. So now I can add some salt. After cooking for 7 minutes, I'm gonna add the ingredients, all the other ingredients. Inside there, doesn't need to be cooked a lot because we're gonna fry them, the oil. So the onions, garlic, the spring onions, and coriander. Let it for 5 to 10 minutes. And then everything is put the spices, and then put aside. So now we let them cook a little bit. I'll cover it, and then I'll let cook for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll put it aside to fill my samosas. Very quick to prepare the garnish. The garnish is very easy. The work comes when you are doing the folding, so that's where it's a little bit of work. A little bit of the some pepper, and it's all cooked. Yeah, in the garnish, all cooked, the fillings. Now I put it aside to cool down. that cannot burn myself when I'm feeling the samosas. I have to taste how it is. Yes, I like. So just put it aside and then I'll work on that after when it cool down, yeah.